Hey guys, and welcome to day 10 of my Hawaii vlogs. Today we're just going back to Kauai town to get my dad a gift and going to the beach and pool and stuff. Not that exciting because we've already done all of those things a lot. But whatever, maybe we'll do some other things. I don't know yet. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Actually came to this trading post first. And there's like this surfboard place you can take a picture at. There's a cat in the store.
You're sure that'll fit over here?
I just did some shopping at the trading post, and yeah, I'm gonna try to film a Hawaii haul in Hawaii. Hawaiian trading post, Kauai. It's like a pineapple, and then there's like two tiki dudes over here. Just got to the coffee plantation. Bunch of like coffee trees or whatever they're called. Windshield on. Are these coffee beans?
Don't pick them up. These are coffee beans, guys.
I know. Are they?
It's the coffee.
These are coffee
beans. Can you smell them?
So if you pick them, they don't smell like coffee.
A little bit.
That snow. That sugar cane.
Yeah.
This is the green it's made out of. Look at this awesome dude. It's raining. Oh my gosh. There's different coffee. Look at my butt. Look how rainy it is. I just sampled some coffees, and my favorite is the banana nut one. Guys, we just had lunch, and now we're going to the beach to watch our cousins surf because it's their last day. Our last full day is tomorrow. But yeah, and then we're leaving on Thursday. No, it's this way because we're going to the parking lot. So yeah, and then we're just going to go back to the beach by the condo, and then me and my brother are going to walk back real quick while the lighting's still good so we can film my Hawaii haul because I want to film it in Hawaii. And then we're going to walk back to the beach, so hopefully it'll all go well. But the lighting's not that great actually right now. It's like kind of gloomy outside. You can see, but we'll try it. There's like one Nice time. We're going to like the little store thingy place over there. There's like a restaurant, a gift shop, and like shave ice. I haven't had way too much shave ice. I have it like every day. But shave ice isn't that common in California. Well, it kind of is. Renikees. It's a fish beach house place. And then there's shave ice down there. See the shaved ice. Yay. Got more shaved ice, but this one has even cool ice cream at the bottom. So I got just got to the ice cream.
Like, what is in here?
Don't you have it in your bag?
If you put it in there.
Yeah, I think I gave it to you.
Hope you didn't leave it in the stand.
What in the... you know what, Dad? Like this fish got put in the car, and the sun's going to red. I guess some We just found a giant crab. Well, why are you guys touching it? It has like these different claws.
What's that on the
Are you scared of it? Only if you be careful. It's too crab.
Don't tell my mom.
What am I doing?
You move the crab. I'm telling you.
Blake's scared of the crab. It's pouring outside. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower and I'm going to end the vlog here because we're not really doing anything else tonight. I'm babysitting my cousins, all 4 of them. They're all boys and they're all younger than me. Yeah. So yeah, I'm babysitting them because all of the adults are going out for dinner because it's the last night that all of the adults will be together because my aunt and uncle are going home tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for my last full day of Kauai. So, love you guys. Bye!